जुबिन नौटियाल ने ये गाना गाया है। एक तो बहुत ही लकी सिंगर हैं, लेकिन उनका ये पहला बड़ा वीडियो है और उनके बारे में मैं कहने के लिए बुलाना चाहूँगा मंच पे मेरे दोस्त, मेरे बड़े भाई और इस फिल्म के निर्देशक निर्माता संजय गुप्ता जी। वेलकम सर।
Thank you.
Firstly, congratulations on your trailer hitting the 5.6 million mark. और आपको एक बात और बता दूं कि पहले ही 24 घंटे में ट्रेलर लॉन्च के बाद it hit 2 million in 24 hours, breaking all records of any Indian cinema ever. It also broke one of our favorite film Bajrangi Bhaijaan's record of 1.8 million, which is no mean feat, Sanjay.
Well, I guess it just tells us the anticipation for the film and the love that is already there. And one other thing before I proceed with this, I want to tell you all why Rohit is here.
Yeah.
He is my younger brother and there's a small story behind this. कांटे फिल्म हमने LA में बनाई थी और कांटे का पहला लुक जब हमने लैंड्स एंड होटल में उसको दिखाया था सबको. So that's when Rohit and me met, and Rohit had come and compared that evening, and so I can say he's my lucky charm.
Yes, absolutely, and I hope that luck takes this forward. Kante went on to become a cult classic, as we all know. But I think that with Jazba, White Feather is going to have another feather in its cap. And to talk about this song, I'd like to start with you, Sanjay. Tell us something about the song, what it is like, before we call up Zubin.
See, this song in the film comes in the end credits. Usually in the end credits, people like thumpy, fast-paced, that kind of stuff. But we wanted to go against that tide and opted for melody, great lyrics, great arrangement, and that's what this is.
Okay. तो इससे पहले कि हम जुबिन को यहाँ पर बुलाएं आपके सामने उसे अनवेल करने के लिए, should we call upon the lady first?
Yes, absolutely.
दोस्तों, इस फिल्म में बहुत सारी खासियतें हैं, लेकिन एक खास बात यह है कि इस फिल्म के साथ एक ऐसी अभिनेत्री अपना कमबैक कर रही हैं जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान को ऑलरेडी झंझोड़ के रख दिया है कई सालों से. शी इज बीन रूलिंग हार्ट्स एंड of course Anuradha, you've been ruling our hearts, but the lady in question who's been ruling everybody's heart, not only in India but across the globe, the very beautiful, the very talented, put your hands together for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very warm welcome, Aishwarya. So here she is, and this is going to be your comeback, and everybody's waiting with bated breath. But today I want to ask you a question. Of course, you'll be answering various questions to the press about the film later, but I'd like to know, what was the experience shooting this song, being part of this song, Bandya?
Good evening, and thank you for the welcome. Sorry, I was talking to Dada backstage and I didn't realize I had been already welcomed on. So excuse the second of the delay. Well, I already said it at the trailer launch, and I should repeat, working with Sanjay firstly has been an absolute pleasure. And as Irfan had put it at the trailer launch, Jazba is a Sanjay Gupta film. So what was the word he used? Sanjay Gupta-fied or Sanjay-centric and so on and so forth, whatever the term be. But that's it. That's the movie, and that's the energy with which we have come on board and thoroughly enjoyed the journey, the ride actually. Lots of blazing wheels, lots of dust, lots of car rides, and lots of adrenaline. And it's wonderful to tell such an intense story with that kind of pace and that kind of to feel time ticking throughout the narrative has been really enjoyable, and I'm so glad. We have been meaning to work together for so long, so if we have come together, it's on this one. And while Sanjay has candidly shared that, you know, this is, we haven't done the predictable signature stuff as expected in a regular narrative. He's kept the treatment of the music as would be true to the narrative of a film of such a subject. We absolutely love this song, and we thought it would be fun to throw in a video, but not in the conventional, predictable way yet again. So still staying true to the spirit of the film, the character of the film, and yet giving in that little dash of chutzpah. And working with Ahmad after so long again was wonderful, and Zubin's really rendered the song beautifully. So call the rest of the team on board.
Okay. Ahmed, can we have you here? I'm going to call the rest of the team a little later. But since you mentioned Ahmed is with us.
Here's my partner in crime.
And may I call upon Jubin Nautiyal, the voice behind this lovely, lovely song.
And most importantly, Amjad and Nadeem, the music directors. Can we have Nadeem and Amjad here, please?
Sanjay, please tell us something about the shooting of this video. Anybody can shoot a video, but you guys need to tell us something about the video itself.
I think Ahmad and me, whenever we work, the one thing we never do is any homework. There's nothing planned. Whatever comes out instinctively. It's from the heart, and that's what is there. There are no rehearsals and there's no storyboarding.
Ahmed, would you like to add something there?
Lots of spontaneity. That is Sanjay's language actually. Lots of spontaneity.
Well, that's true. His pet name is Gops. So, we never have anything planned, but we have a kind of, we're like cockroaches. We've got the antennas and the vibration comes through. And secondly, I shoot with many heroines and many heroes, everybody. But let me tell you that when Gops was on one camera and I was on the other, and when you have somebody like her, so it's done. So हम तो सिर्फ शूट करते रहे, बाकी जो इन्होंने किया है, so ये बेस्ट है जो बताएंगी.
Aishwarya, would you like to join and tell us your feelings when you shot this song? Because it's obviously not a regular song. The feel is...
So, like we were saying, like Goops confessed that everything, is very spontaneous, and luckily I've found an incredible comfort level already with him during the making of this movie. And we have common friends in the business. So, it was... Working with him has really been easy, very, very natural. And I've known Ahmed forever. I mean, right since Tal. And meaning to do so much more over the years, we still have time ahead, which is a great thing. So it was wonderful reconnecting again. And they've sung the song. He sung the song so beautifully. They have composed it arranged it so beautifully. So that was pretty easy because the brief from both Sanjay and Ahmed was to feel the song and to be true to it. So while this will get labeled a video, nothing in this movie is keeping with the labels. It'll get labeled a comeback film like you just did, thanks, yet again. But we're not playing to that adage. Likewise, we're not playing to the perception of a video could, would, should be. It wasn't about, come on, let's do the moves, let's throw in a move here, because guess what? There's Ahmed, and guess what? That's me, and guess what? He can really make it look amazingly cool, but we still stay true. So that was really nice that we all are on the same page there. And it was about feeling the song and bringing that to the camera.
Thank you very much. And since we've spoken so much about the song, thank you Aishwarya for being here. Thank you Ahmed. Thank you guys. Thank you Sanjay. Jubin, I'd like you to stay back.
He can sing.
Yeah.
He is singing.
My friend Sachin Joshi, please on stage. आइए नितिन जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत. Sachin, welcome. Akash ji, आइए. I'd also now like to call the entire cast back on stage. Aishwarya, can we have you back one more time, please? Aishwarya. Ma'am, come here. आप लोग हर प्रेस मीट में मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैं इतना स्टाइलिश क्यों हूं. उसकी वजह बाहर खड़ी है. मैं कॉल अपॉन स्टेज द ओरिजिनल टाइगर जैकी श्रॉफ. The dadas of all dada, who's probably making himself appear. Woo! We have two bright young talents with us today. We also have Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu, please come on stage. Dada, welcome. Abhimanyu, we have Priya Banerjee and Siddhant Kapoor. Priya was making her debut with this film. And Siddhant was a powerhouse performer. Welcome. Ahmed, can we have you back for the photo op? आप इधर आइए यार, मैं तो फिल्म हूँ नहीं. I'd like to also call Vardhaman and Rishabh, who have been very, very kind to have organized this for us. Rishabh, Vardhaman, please. Thank you. The two stylish brothers behind Escobar. And that's it. Now thank you very much all you guys, and all the very best to Team Jazba, and I'm sure it's going to take everything a notch higher. लेकिन हम लोगों ने शुरुआत में, thank you Dada, before you go, a few words.
हाँ बड़ू, पहले तो सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. आप लोग इतने आए ले, इतना बड़ा फोर्स के अंदर, अच्छा लगा. जज्बा बड़ू हिंदुस्तान है, जज्बा तो होगा. अगर जज्बा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? अपन थोड़ी ठंडे खून के लोग हैं, सब हॉट ब्लडेड है, सब गर्म खून है. ऐश्वर्या बाबा का पिक्चर है, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. मैंने डबिंग करते वक्त देखा, हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सबसे खूबसूरत, सबसे टैलेंटेड बच्ची है. She is a beautiful girl. I worked with her. She started a career in Albela. I was there. Albela पिक्चर में मैं था, और मैं, क्योंकि इनके होने के बाद कोई दिखता नहीं है. बोलने का मतलब है कि बहुत दम है और सॉलिड परफॉर्म किया हुआ है. पूरा जज्बाती रोल है. जज्बा टाइटल संजय बाबा ने जो रखा है, सही रखा है बाबा संजय. Bloody good. I think you have a fantastic film. I think you have performed superb, Ash. You look lovely. Always you look lovely, and you'll perform fantastic. All the best to everybody. आपको भी और आप सबको भी. बड़ू ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं, मेरा बच्चा बना हुआ है बदमाश. बाकी कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं. बोलने का अपना काम नहीं है. आज इन लोगों का काम है, ये बोलेंगे. ये है कि जज्बा, हिंदुस्तान में जज्बा के सिवा कुछ नहीं है. बड़ू.
Thank you. I'd like to request Nitin Kenny sir, Akash and Sachin to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Finally, mixed emotions. Excited भी हम लोग काफ़ी, और थोड़ा सा मुझे नर्वस फील हो रहा है क्योंकि मेरे लिए ये पहला as a producer, first time I'm doing something. And Sanjay has done a fantastic job with the film Jazba. Aishwarya ji has done a fantastic job. I've seen the film. I think definitely it will excite the audience of India. Thank you.
It's a great privilege to be here, and it's a proud moment for us all at Z, because after such a long time we have two global stars. We have a fantastic stylized director of the country, and we have a tremendous team in terms of the producer, the Sanjay Gupta, Akash, Sachin ji, all of us. And it's been a great pleasure to make this film, and I am sure you'll enjoy the film as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and all the very best, Team Jazba. Please. Or okay, can we just have the star cast for a bit, please? You guys can. Aja. Dada. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you, Abhimanyu. And guys, since everybody is here and we are a little greedy, इससे पहले दादा Dada doesn't want to give solo.
तलवार में एज एन इन्वेस्टिगेटिव ऑफिसर
जी
और इस फिल्म में एज एन इंस्पेक्टर, कितना सिमिलर है या डिफरेंट है रोल दोनों?
कोई सिमिलरिटी है ही नहीं दूसरे की। एक तलवार एक जज्बा है। अंदर से अंदर आप एक फिल्म बनाओगे लोगों को मिला के तलवार का जज्बा, तो कोई सिमिलरिटी नहीं है। दोनों की सुर अलग है, इसीलिए जो है लोगों ने अभी इस बात को इतना उठाया नहीं, क्योंकि ऑडियंस के लिए अलग अलग चॉइस है। और ये साल वैसे भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है मेरे लिए। पीकू से लेके जुरासिक पार्क कर देना, बिल्कुल अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में हैं। तलवार है, जज्बा है, जो कम्प्लीटली अलग तरह की फिल्म है। तो क्योंकि ये एक्सपीरियंस अलग है, दोनों कहानियों का इंटेंशन ऑडियंस को डिफरेंट किस्म का एक्सपीरियंस देने का है।
समथिंग अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर इन द फिल्म।
ही इज एन सस्पेंडेड पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड उस पर चार्जेस हैं कुछ। वो कितने सीरियस हैं वो पता नहीं चलता। And he thinks that he's in crisis, and then there is a chemistry between him and Aishwarya, and but there's another story which is going on which he doesn't know, and when he comes to know, then there's a kind of blast in the film, story wise.
Talking about Aishwarya, tell something more about the chemistry between you and Aishwarya.
It was fantastic, she's a very interesting woman, nice personality. She has so much of warmth, simplicity, eager to work, and beautiful. And it was outstanding, chemistry. I loved every moment of that.
संजय गुप्ता, the director, इनके साथ कैसी जुगलबंदी रही आपकी?
हमने पहले प्रोड्यूस की थी ना, उस फिल्म में मैंने काम किया था, बट इस बार उनके खुद के डायरेक्शन में किया है। एंड क्योंकि उनका अपना कहानी सुनाने का अंदाज होता है, उनका अपना पर्टिकुलर लुक होता है, ही इज़ वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट एंड ही नोज व्हाट ही वांट्स। सो कभी कभी एक्टर को अच्छा लगता है कि आपको पता है कि डायरेक्टर का एक खाका है, एक देयर इज अ सिस्टम, देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग ही बिलीव्स इन, एंड देन you come and you try to make things, you add something to it and you take some things from them, and then there is a kind of interesting combination between the two. The dynamics which have been created through this marriage.
दो इंटरनेशनल स्टार्स है फिल्म में
जी।
तो was it difficult for him to दोनों में मतलब?
No, I think we both believed in his storytelling, and we know that where he's coming from. We know that he has a particular way of telling a story, and we accepted his film. So we were already, ready to be directed by him.
हमने सुना है कि फिल्म में आपके बहुत सारे सीटी मार डायलॉग्स भी हैं।
बहुत सारे नहीं, हाँ बहुत सारे हैं एक्चुअली। मैं उसी के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अट्रैक्शन था मेरा वो इस फिल्म को करने का। एंड दोस डायलॉग्स आर not just time pass, there's certain dialogues which will stay with you, like मुझे कई बार लगता है कि संजय गुप्ता शायद मेरे लिए उन्होंने लिखा है ये लाइन कि यार तुम एक तरह की फिल्म करते रहते हो, तुम अब ये वाली करो, और उसके लिए मैं आपको एक लाइन दे रहा हूँ कि शराफत की दुनिया का किस्सा ही खत्म, जैसी दुनिया वैसे हम। तो तो ऐसा उसके कई मायने भी निकलते हैं उनकी लाइन्स के।
वन ऑफ दोज एक्टर्स जिसने कॉमेडी भी की है, एक्शन किया है, कोई ऐसा जॉनर है जो आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं? अगर आप चाहे तो राइटिंग में ऐसे कुछ सोचा है आपने?
नहीं, मैं अभी मुझे एक्टिंग करने में अभी मज़ा आ रहा है ना। अभी मैंने एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू किया है और अभी मुझे नई तरह की कहानियाँ मिल रही हैं और अभी तो शुरुआत मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरी शुरुआत है, तो मैं अभी इसको किसी तरह से, और मैं पूरी तरह सेटिस्फाइड हूँ जो हो रहा है और मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत एंगेज्ड हूँ। वो तब होता है कि आप में कुछ अंदर बचा रह जाता है और आपको लगता है कि यार इस चीज़ से पूरा नहीं हो रहा, अब मुझे जो है कुछ और इख्तियार करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को एंगेज रखने के लिए। जैसे जब मैं टेलीविज़न में था तो मुझे डायरेक्ट करने का मुझे ज़रूरत महसूस हुई थी, इसीलिए क्योंकि मैं एक्टिंग से कुछ बोर हो रहा था। तो अभी ऐसा नहीं है, अभी यस डेफिनेटली मैं आई वुड लव टू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग which I have been doing few films, and I'm really eagerly waiting for somebody who has money and who can believe in my vision and who's interested in creating a variety of entertainment for people, like which is happening nowadays. There are films which engages you intellectually, or emotionally, but audience is demanding different kind of experience, and that's the reason why at one hand typical commercial film, at other hand there's a film based on an issue. Both are running successfully.
टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रमोटिंग द फिल्म, रिसेंटली एक ट्वीट आया था संजय गुप्ता सर का
जी।
कि समटाइम्स जो प्रमोशंस होते हैं दे आर ओवररेटेड, सो एज एन एक्टर what do you feel about it? What will you do?
I think it's a very important point and it's a very important thing to be considered by the film industry, that the amount of money we spend on promotion is obnoxious and it doesn't help filmmaking. It's a burden on filmmaking. We should have a cap on that and we should reduce that amount. Sometimes it's the ratio is 1:1 and it's a waste of money. It's a criminal waste of money because the film suffers, because the director who's making a good film, just because he has to spend so much, or the producer has to spend so much of money on publicity, the burden comes on the film, and then the director or actor's work is judged by the business what the film is doing, and you don't understand that it's such a big chunk of budget is being taken by publicity, which sometimes we don't know how it's translating into the business of the film. Audience actually, when audience is just that, you have to make people aware that this film is coming. Audience decides on trailer. Audience watch the trailer and they decide, which film to watch, which film not to watch. All what we are doing is, we are just filling your space. I don't know how many people will come to watch this film because of this. And this interview will be watched maybe, after 6 months from now on. How it is going to affect the film, I don't think there's anything to do with the film. It's just the awareness that you have to create the awareness, and the trailer does the main thing. He's apt, he's correct what he's saying.
टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रेलर ऑफ द फिल्म, हमने सबने ट्रेलर देखा फिल्म का, साथ आप दोनों के साथ में फिल्म में और भी दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, जैकी श्रॉफ,
बिल्कुल हाँ, शबाना आज़मी है, और
कैसा रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस?
मेरे बहुत लोगों के साथ सीन नहीं है। मेरे ज़्यादातर सब ऐश्वर्या जी के साथ सीन है, एक उनके साथ शबाना आज़मी के साथ बहुत अच्छे सीन है कुछ, और बहुत लोगों के साथ मेरा इंटरेक्शन नहीं है फिल्म में, बट सब बहुत अच्छे हैं। दे आर ऑल एडिंग टू द फिल्म एंड दे वंडरफुल एक्टर्स।
टॉकिंग अबाउट संजय गुप्ता अगेन, हमने देखा है फिल्म में एक अलग ही टेक्सचर रहता है उनका।
हाँ,
आप कांटे देखे, जिंदा देखे, इस फिल्म में भी थोड़ा, तो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
आई थिंक वो जिस तरह की कहानी चूज करते हैं उसके लिए एक अपनी किस्म की दुनिया बनाना उनके लिए ज़रूरी है, और वो जो है लोगों को एक अपनी कहानियों की दुनिया में ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, तो इसके लिए उनका अपना एक लुक जो है वो पर्टिकुलर होता है और वो क्रिएट करते हैं उस लुक को।
सर, आपको बहुत से लोगों ने सवाल पूछा होगा, आप रोमांटिक फिल्में क्यों नहीं करते या करना चाहेंगे? आपने भी कहा
मैं करता हूँ, कभी कभी जब मौका मिलता है करता हूँ, जितना मौका मिलेगा उतना ही करूँगा। पीकू मेरे लिए रोमांटिक थी, लंच बॉक्स भी मेरे लिए रोमांटिक थी, नेमसेक भी रोमांटिक थी, मकबूल रोमांटिक थी, तो कम टाइम चांस मिलता है लोगों को शायद, लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है पीपल आर अवेयर एंड दे आर ऑफरिंग रोमांटिक रोल्स एंड आई चूज एंड आई वुड लव टू डू रोमांटिक फिल्म्स। यस।
तो फाइनली व्यूअर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे इन शॉर्ट अबाउट जज्बा?
बी हैप्पी, एंजॉय लाइफ एंड बी अवेयर एंड हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम। without not on somebody else's expenses. Just have a good time and create good world.
Superb. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.